Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, come back at you with some more wonderful information. Today I'm comparing the front controls versus the backsplash controls. This is the Samsung, and it has the front controls, and they're nice, don't get me wrong, but everything's right here. It all functions, you can do whatever you want here. Now me personally, I'm not a real big fan of that because everything is right here and it's very child accessible. Now the touchpad here, you can lock this out so the kid can't use the oven. But that's not going to stop a kid from being able to come up and do this. We're talking little bitty munchkins here. We're not talking, teenagers. But it's still a good stove, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with it. But I'm not real fond of, like I said, having the controls here. Plus, if I'm cooking, there's a chance I can knock into them and bump into them, okay? Now, my personal preferences are over here. Let's come over here. Okay? Now, like I said, I'm a little more old school. I like my controls back here. To me, it cleans up the front, and there's no chance of little ones coming up and actually playing with it. You actually physically, it's all here, still here. You still got your controls. These will lock out also, so your older kids don't touch them. But I prefer, like I said, I prefer having my controls back here. Okay, that's just me, but you got to take things like that in consideration. Like I said, if you do have small children, you have a stove, those you can't turn off. Okay, these, they really can't get to it without getting really, really ingenious, and they will get that way, don't get me wrong, but at the same token, like I said, I just prefer the backsplash controls to the front-facing controls. That's just me, that's my opinion. You're welcome, like I said, do your research, find out what you like, find out what's best for you, but for me, this is the one I prefer, is the one that has the backsplash controls. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for some more good information, and have a wonderful week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.